I'm gonna do a little pre-setup right now, and then I'm gonna go grab some food. I could cook in my car, but I want wings and a beer, so that's happening. I already set up the bed, that way when I park it's a lot easier. I can just pull over, put up the shades, and call it a night. I'm going to use the restroom here in a second for the last time for the night, and then go find a place to park. This is probably a little risky, but I'm pretty much parked. I'll turn these off in a second. I'm just gonna get dressed, so. Urban Stealth camping comes with Urban Stealth showering, which means go to a gym because there's no way in hell you're gonna shower outside, and baby wipes only get you so far. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for next time. I have no idea what video is next. I may be finishing these window covers, but let's see. Have a good one.